Hello, Raymond. Good morning to you and to everyone also. Hi, August. So I gonna do my makeup. Hi, Raymond. Good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So before I do my makeup, here is my no makeup. I have pimple over there. That's why I put pimple eraser. But don't mind it. I'll remove it. Wait lang. Hi, Takoy. Sabi ko pahinga, pero ang nangyari, nag-live na ako ng diretso. So, hi Esmael. Gonna do my makeup. This is for my, hi Kuya B. Ayan. Parang shimmering lang yan. Pampakintab ng mata. Pampakintab, naluluwa yung mata ko. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Highlight lang siya. Konti lang. Tapos, contour pa ba? I put contour. Contour? Wow, nanonood naman si Daddy. Yes, Daddy, still watching. Thanks for watching. Pa-share naman ng live ko. Thanks. Pa-share, pwede. Before ko remove yan. Pamunas. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks for the piso. Ayan, look. Similar. I put a little bit of makeup. Hi, Sensible. Good morning. Let's say good afternoon since already 12. Since it's already 12. So, yes. Good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon, guys. Sensible, it's been a while. How are you, Sensible? It's been a while since you up here on my lives. How are you? Hi, Sawadika. Jo Marie. How are you? Anyway, thanks for passing. Thanks for up here on my life. I need to put a little bit of contour so my nose looks, you know, pointy. Hi, Carlos. My goodness, guys. Nagtatagalog ba kayo? I'm so stressed. Hi, SS. Konti lang na ganyan. Then, highlight. Naluluwa yung mata ko.